already interested in the box. That's what we're making. You love this so much, I thought you needed an upgrade, Frosty. What do you think? She doesn't care right now. We'll see what happens. I'm going to start working on it. Alright, we got some work to do. She's interested. I'm going to start putting it together. Alright, the ladder is complete. Frosty's getting interested. Frosty. Hey. She just likes the box and the plastic, but I think she knows that this is for her, so I'm gonna do the next step. All right. Technically step 1 is complete. The ladder wasn't technically a step, but we're getting there. We'll see how things look after step 2. All right, step 2 of 5 is complete. She's sitting over here just watching what's going on. I'll see you at step 3. All right, step 3 was the most, I think. That is done. And she's still right here just watching me work on it. She's looking over at it, hasn't touched it yet. We'll see when it's done. All right, step 4 is done. Last part is, I think she'll like that window if it's open. Step 5 is just attaching the ladder. I'm going to do that, and then we'll see how she likes it. Dun da da da! What was this thing called? Oh gosh. Oh. I finished making it, putting it together. It's the Go Pet Club F87. And it's done. What do you think, Frosty? Alright, we'll see if she ever uses it. If she does, you'll see it right now. Alright, I just stuck her on the top. She's getting a look outside. This thing is actually called the Go Pet Club Faux Fur Cat Condo. What a mouthful. I stuck her on the top. She seems happy. Frosty. Frosty. Excuse me. Okay, are you happy though? Okay, she seems happy. We'll see if she plays around with it. She laid down. She seems comfy. Are you purring? Yeah, she's happy. Yeah. Oh, you getting comfy? We'll see what else she plays with. I plopped her in here and she found the rope. She stopped playing with it. Are you gonna go back to the top or? Okay. She can't decide what she wants to do. Oh, are you gonna go down to play with the rope? Get it. Oh, and another distraction. Great. Alright, Frosty. I put treats throughout your new cat tree. Yeah. So you gotta find them. You found the first one. Oh, you smell them. Uh-oh, you found 2 more. Let's see if this will get her to go to other places. It's been some time, but Frosty really likes it, don't you? Yeah, she does. She really likes her new cat tree. She goes all around it except for the hammock thing at the bottom, which she just likes to take off. But she really likes this new area here. Oh yeah. She wedges herself right in it and gets real warm. Yep. But she really likes the new cat tree. And thanks for checking out the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!